Hello everyone, so if you want to access the camera settings on your Redmi Note 13, first of all open up your camera. Now at the top find this arrow icon, tap on it, and here you'll see your gear icon, tap on it as well. So here are your settings. Here you can just photo quality, choose whether to mirror front camera or not. You can activate tip to take a photo. You can choose a video encoder, auto frame rate, image stabilization, volume buttons function. For example, you can take them for a shutter, for volume, or for zoom, so adjust it to your taste. And basically that's it. If you're not satisfied with your settings, you can always swipe to the very bottom of this menu and find restore default settings. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.